Thanks, friends. I think you all are enjoying your holidays and hope you all are safe at home during lockdown time due to corona epidemic and you are following the government instruction strictly. I am your science teacher with the topic it's your first chapter food, where does it come from? So let's start, dear students. Now you can see two diagrams are there. One diagram is showing early man and one at the modern time. We have to observe the given picture carefully. Can you find any difference between the food being eaten and eating habits of the people in these two pictures? Spot and make a list of these differences. So dear students, you can observe the picture first. In first picture, there are early men. They eat raw meat of hunted animals. He had only a few options to eat raw fruits or meat. But in second figure, we can see some children are there. In this the family members are eating a lot of variety of food. And you can observe that most of the food items are cooked. We all are also basically cooked our food before using. Now we will discussing about the variety of food. So dear students, you can see three questions are there. First question is, what are you eating today? आज आपने क्या खाया? तो actually basically your answer may be different. It may be chapati and vegetables. Did you eat same food yesterday? So I think no. It may possible. Yesterday you eat rice and dal and some another food materials. Third question, do your friends eat some food as you have? So I think no. It may possible they eat idli and some another food materials. It means the different people take different varieties of food, and we also at different age we take different types of food. So now dear students, we will discussing about the food ingredients. Now we want to discuss about rice. The basically rice are made from raw rice and water. With the help of water, by boiling we can cook the rice. The dal, in dal basically we add pulses, water, salt, oil, ghee or spices. Vegetables, in vegetables basically we are using vegetables, water, salt and lot of type of species also. Now one important thing is there about ingredients. The ingredients are the materials used for making food items. Now dear students, we just discussing about source of food. There is a plant, you can see the lot of parts of plant like flower, fruits, stem, leaf, bud, node, shoot, lot of parts are there. Basically a plant has two parts, root system and shoot system. Now we will discussing about the source of food. Basically there are two types of source of food. One plants parts, or second animals. So firstly we will discussing about the plants food. We get some fruits and vegetables from plants like tomato, capsicum, mango, apple. You can see the diagram also of the following fruits and vegetables. We also eat roots of some plants like carrot, beetroot and radish. And flower, basically we use the cauliflower, banana flower, that type of flower also. Stem, basically some stem part of the trees also eaten, like sugarcane, bamboo shoots, and ginger. Basically you use the ginger in your vegetables and tea preparing also. The leaf, now you can see leaf, the source of leaf, like spinach and another, also cabbage also given there. Now we discussing about the seeds, like coriander, cardamom, that type of seeds also be using. Dear students, now you can see about sprouts. You know about sprouts? The white structure come out of seeds. Basically it can made from gram in green gram. The sprouts is the good source of proteins. So I suggest you have to take sprouts regularly. You have to prepare and you have to take. It is good for your health. Now we will discussing about the source of food that we obtain from animals. So in this diagram you can see like milk, egg, fish, meat, honey, butter, cheese, curd. All the food materials we obtain from animals. Some we can get directly or some indirectly we are getting from plants and animals. Dear students, after that we are going to discussing about classification of animals. According to their feeding habits, the animals may be different types like herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers, and decomposers. Firstly, we will discussing about the herbivores. The word herbivores made from herb means green leaf or green grass. It means the animals which eat only plants parts is called herbivores. For example, cow, buffalo, grasshopper. Second is carnivores. Animals that eat only meat are called carnivores. We can see the diagram also. A lion, they are hunting a deer. Basically lion, tiger, they are the example of carnivores. Now omnivore. Students, some animals they can eat plants and animals both. They are known as omnivores. For example, human beings, cat, dog, they all are the examples of omnivores. Now scavengers. The scavengers also known as nature's cleaner. Why known as nature's cleaner? Because it helps to clean the nature. How? Because these type of animals eat dead and decaying animals. For example, vulture, crow, wolf, that type of animals help to clean the nature. Now we are discussing about decomposers. The organisms that feed upon the breakdown of dead and decaying plants and animals into useful simpler substances are called decomposers, like fungi or bacteria. Actually, that type of bacteria they decompose the complex parts into simpler parts. Okay, student, thank you. Friends, I think you all are enjoying your holidays and hope you all are safe at home during lockdown time due to corona epidemic and you are following the government instruction strictly. I am your science teacher with the topic, it's your first chapter, food, where does it come from? Let's start Dear students, now you can see